Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. So it's been raining here hardcore for the last, 3 weeks or something, and I haven't been able to get out for a bike ride at all. So I was going to take the dark night out, but we're on the electric one at the moment. So let's fire this up. Mag on, systems on, 77.7. Let's do this. I'm going to put you in my pocket and let's go and have a look around at the flooding and stuff. So cool guys, here we go. Right, here we go. Now what are we looking at? Okay, we can see the bike. Okay, here we go guys. I was going to go on the dark night like I said. Now I'm going to try and get the best view I possibly can. Here we go guys, slowly does it. This thing will spin up a storm in no time. Here we go. So as you can see guys, down here, just down here alone, all the ditches and stuff, all down here. I'm just trying to move to the best I can. Oh boy. Okay, we got some problems with this thing. What is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, we got to move. Car behind us. There's some more guys. Coming around here. More flooding. So you can see lights and stuff. And down the end of the road there. And so we're going to go back this way. See you later. Woo. Yeah, the flooding around the place is pretty good. Dang it. The thing you would least expect killing it. Dang. That bloody chain came off again. That's why I was going to take the dark night to save me from doing this. Oh, man. It sucks. Hey, anywho, get on there. Stinking chain. Oh, alright. Let's go and have a look down here. Ooh, a few potholes to watch out for. Oh, a couple of mounds of fire, a little bit of flooding there. Going around it. Cool. Alright guys, so we're going down here. And pretty good drainage down here, so it's not too bad down here. Oh my giddy up. There goes that chain again. Oh man. Oh, I should have brought the dark night, guys. Hey, that wouldn't have happened on the dark night for sure. So, yeah. Let's pull this out at the moment. Are we still rolling even? Oh, we are. Okay, we're at the 5-minute mark. So I'm just going around having a look at how much flooding and stuff. I got a little window there where I can do a quick vid for everybody and just do the rounds basically. So yeah, we're on the 72 volt. We're on the 72 volt alternator trike. Oh boy, I feel that rain coming in again, guys. Get this thing out here. No protection at all for it. 72 volts times 2, 1000 watt controller, and as you can see, we're going to put that chain back on. Needs a little bit, just a little bit of fine tuning. Ew. Find my glasses. Alright. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next up and coming vid. Hopefully if this weather's good, it'll be something cool. Awesome guys. Cruzerman out.